We found a grotto the size of an auditorium.
We have dubbed this Douglas Gate. It is Gate 1. And we are almost to the grotto. You see the second gate? Oh yeah. Man, this is gorgeous. Third gate. Douglas Gate.
Hello? Found it! Wow. Oh man, just got the chills. Woo! This is the mini one.
So there's another one further over there.
Just a little further down, like 600 feet.
There's no risk, you could fucking die out here. That is spectacular.
Wow, dude, it's like a little oasis in here. It has a whole like little beach. Holy guacamole. Oh my gosh, dude.
We have reached the grotto. We got a couple hours left of light. We do have to get the fuck out of here, but we're gonna dilly-dally just a little.